Welcome back to Turbo Tracks, the place where we dive deep into the world of cars, trucks, and everything automotive. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2025 Toyota Hilux, a truck that has earned its reputation globally as a rugged, reliable, and performance-driven beast. In this video, we'll be focusing exclusively on the exterior of this impressive vehicle, exploring its design, features, and performance. Let's jump in and see why the Hilux continues to be a standout in the world of pickup trucks. Now, the first thing that catches your eye with the 2025 Toyota Hilux is its bold and aggressive design. Toyota has clearly aimed to make a statement with this truck. The front end is dominated by a sleek, muscular grille that's wider and bolder than before, with sharp, angular lines that give the truck an imposing presence on the road. Flanking this grille are the newly redesigned LED headlights, slimmer than previous models, with a modern and more dynamic look. The LED light bar on top of the grille adds to the truck's futuristic appeal, while improving visibility on the toughest of roads. Moving down the sides, the 2025 Hilux boasts a more sculpted profile, with pronounced wheel arches that emphasize its off-road capabilities. The bodywork flows seamlessly from the front to the rear, with robust side skirts and strong, defined lines that speak to the truck's durability. The vehicle sits on a set of stylish, new alloy wheels that complement its tough exterior, providing both form and function. These wheels are designed not just for looks, but to withstand the harshest conditions. The truck is available in a range of sizes, ensuring there's an option for every type of driver. Another major update to the exterior design of the 2025 Hilux is its larger, more aggressive bumper, which comes with integrated fog lights. This design not only improves the truck's approach angle for off-roading but also enhances its visual toughness. The rear end of the Hilux is equally striking, with a redesigned tailgate featuring an embossed Toyota logo that adds a premium touch. The rear bumper has been reinforced, providing more protection against impacts, and the overall design remains practical for both daily use and heavy-duty work. Of course, the 2025 Toyota Hilux remains built to tackle all kinds of terrain, and Toyota hasn't skimped on the off-road features. The truck comes with a higher ground clearance, giving it an advantage over many of its competitors. Whether you're heading up a rocky mountain trail or navigating through deep mud, the Hilux has the stance and capability to handle it all. The truck's upgraded suspension system, with a focus on stability and durability, ensures that it maintains a smooth ride, even in the roughest environments. For those who demand even more from their off-road vehicle, Toyota offers an optional off-road package that includes enhanced skid plates, off-road tires, and specialized shocks to further improve its ability to tackle extreme conditions. This package is perfect for those who push their vehicles to the limit, making the 2025 Hilux the ultimate combination of toughness and innovation. In terms of color options, Toyota has introduced some fresh and exciting hues for the 2025 model, with bold new shades like graphite and the classic lunar silver. These colors complement the truck's rugged yet refined exterior, making sure it stands out in any environment.